Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Seetu and it would really mean a lot if you would take a moment and subscribe. So for today's video, I am collaborating with one of our favorite booktubers. It is Aanchal from Libro Review and I am so happy to have her here on my channel, and I hope you guys like this video. So as you have read from the title, I am going to give you 5 fiction recommendations from 5 different fiction genres, and Aanchal will give you 5 non-fiction recommendations from 5 different non-fiction genres. So this video is about 10 genres, 10 recommendations, 5 non-fiction and 5 fiction, and I hope that whatever kind of a reader you are, you will definitely get a book recommendation out of this video. So without any further ado, let's start.
Hey you guys, I hope you're doing very nice. My name is Aanchal and I have a channel called Libro Review where I recommend a lot of books, make a lot of bookish content as well as personal development content, and I am so excited to be here. Thank you so much for having me. I'm pretty sure this channel too is providing a lot of information along with a lot of positive vibes to all of you. And here I'm going to be recommending 5 books from 5 different genres of non-fiction itself that will help you.
So the first genre that I am going to recommend you a book from is one of the most rare genres in fiction category, which is young adult contemporary. So the book which I recommend you guys is Turtles All the Way Down by John Green. I think it is one of the most accurate written books. The protagonist of this book, she is suffering from a mental health disease, compulsive thought spirals, and also she has like food eating disorders. So this book explains it quite well and exactly explains that what a mental health illness feels like, and if you want to have more accurate knowledge around that area, you can definitely pick this book up, and I think everyone will like it because it's John Green, so what is there to not like? So I think Turtles All the Way Down, if you haven't read it and you read YA, then I think it's a must read and you should definitely pick it up.
Book I would like to recommend for anybody who is trying to start their own journey with YouTube or with social media, or they just want to make their passion their profession, is Crush It by Gary Vaynerchuk. I would actually recommend Crushing It, but because that is an updated version, but I feel like the ground rules given in this book are so important when you're starting to work for yourself. They are so important when you are trying to follow your passion, because following your passion sounds cool and it's cool, but it has a lot of hard work in the behind the scenes. So this book will help you to gain a good perspective towards that, and the base work will be done, after which of course you can read Crushing It by Gary Vaynerchuk.
So the second book which I want to recommend you guys belongs to the poetry genre. It is Fierce Fairy Tales by Nikita Gill. So this is a beautiful poetry book. It is the feminist version, the other side of all the fairy tales that we have read. Cinderella and every single fairy tale that you can think of is in this book, with a strong female protagonist, with a strong princess, and there is no such drama of a prince saving you. This book tells you, sweetie, you gotta save yourself, you gotta have your own back, and you gotta save the world. So this book should be read by small kid girls, because girls right from a young age, we teach them to behave in a certain way, and this book just discards that patriarchal narrative. It creates its own narrative, and this book is beautiful. So if you want to give it a try, it's a hardcover, it's under 200 pages, and the cover, man, it's just gorgeous. So you can definitely pick this book up and you will love it.
Next book is kind of meant for business as well as time management, because I've never come across any book that does not have this principle in it already, but yes, it's more of a business book, and that book is the 80-20 principle by Richard Koch. Now this book will help you to understand what 80% of work gives you 20% of results, and what 20% of work gives you 80% of results, and how you can prioritize your work on the basis of that so that you get most done in lesser time. This doesn't only apply to time, it applies to every single part of your life, which means which 80% people are contributing only 20% to your company, and which 20% people are contributing the most, which is 80% to your company, which is how you can manage your human resource in your company. And along with that, a lot more things. So it's like a whole guide, and is such a must read.
Third book that I want to recommend you guys is a classic. It is none other than The Color Purple by Alice Walker. Now, as you guys know that I have recommended this book individually to to each of my friends, and also on Instagram many times, but again I will do it because this book is important. If you haven't read it, you must read it. If you're a beginner, you want to start with classics, this is the one book which you have to pick up. You have to pick it up. It is awesome. It is written by an Afro-American author. Alice Walker herself is an Afro-American. Her protagonist in this novel is an Afro-American, and it tells the struggle of Afro-American women and how their colonial heritage makes them to believe that they are inferior and the white people are superior, and how the preconditioning is done. This girl in this book gets raped, becomes a victim of domestic abuse by her father as well as her husband, and a lot of shit happens. But you gotta read this book. I think I can't stress enough that how important this book is and how much it is going to broaden your horizon once you complete reading this book. So definitely recommend this one.
The book I'm gonna recommend is For a Higher Self-Worth. Now the book has Girl Wash Your Face by Rachel Hollis. It does have girl in its title, but even if you're not a girl, you can read it. This book will help you to get rid of all the lies that have been imposed on you by the society, by your environment, or by yourself too. In the sense, you may be thinking that, oh my god, this I cannot do, this I cannot do, I cannot do this, I cannot do that, and all those kind of things. But this book will help you to get over it. It will help you to achieve a higher self-worth, and it's amazing.
So the next genre that I want to recommend you guys is one of my favorite genres in this world. It is a literary fiction. So the literary fiction that I want to recommend you in this video is 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. Now this book is about a 40-year-old woman who experiences a midlife crisis which changes her life. This book has a theme of mysticism, Sufiness, and the writing style. It's gorgeous, it turns me on, it is amazing, and you need to read this book. And oh my god, I can't tell it how beautiful this book is. The style is ornamental, luxurious. If you want to read a luxurious book, this, my friend, buy it in the sale. It is expensive, so buy it in the sale. Like, it's more than 400 rupees, so the sale would be a nice opportunity to buy this book and get a hold of this gorgeous cover. And you must have read about, the 14th century poet Rumi. It is in this book, and this book talks about love, and more than love, self-love, and what real true love is. And it's awesome. I can't just explain it, but it's awesome. And please read it, please read it.
Recommend Big Magic by Elizabeth Gilbert. This book is a self-help. It will help you to understand what is creative living. Now, if you are a creator, then it's a must read. But even if you are not a creator, even if you are not into like a creative living already, I still think you should read this book, because it will help you to understand that creative living is not only when you are following your passion and your passion is your profession, or when you're earning through creativity. It is also just there in your day-to-day life. This book literally changed my life, and all the people that have already read it do talk to me about it, and it has changed their lives too. So it's a big must read. It will help you to understand the 6 essentials of life that you already have. They are free and they can change your.
The 5th recommendation, the last recommendation for this video, is a mythological fiction, and it is one of the cutest covers, one of the most beautiful covers I have ever owned. It is The Penelopiad by Margaret Atwood. So those of you who know Greek mythology must know who's Penelope. So Penelope is Helen's cousin sister. In a patriarchal kind of setting, she is known as Odysseus' wife. Odysseus, who went to the Trojan War and did not come back. Now she is dead and she is in heaven or hell. Actually, Greek mythology does not have the concept of heaven or hell. So she is in a place where dead people live, and she is narrating her own story. And oh my god, she is such a misinterpreted woman. If you have read the real, like the classic version of Odyssey and Iliad written by Homer, who is a 12th century Greek poet, her story and her character in those actual classics is very different from what Margaret Atwood has written. So this is like a female twist. Like you must have read like The Forest of Enchantments or The Palace of Illusions by Chitra Banerjee Divakaruni. So there you see that Sita and Draupadi are narrating their own story, which is very different from what it is represented in the Mahabharata or the Ramayana. So in this case, Penelope, she is narrating her own story. And this book, my friend, is gorgeous. Like, I am telling this for every single book, but it is very very thin and I did not want it to be thin. It would have, I think, continued for 400 pages. I would still have read it. It's awesome, and it is also one of, you know, the coming of age book, and it is a future classic. It is already a classic as it is written by Margaret Atwood, but see, there is, you know, नीचे लिखा भी हुआ है इसमें that the myth of Penelope and Odysseus. So you will kind of realize that, oh my god, how women are represented and how wrong their representation can be. So she is sarcastic, you know, she is not trying to gain sympathy that, oh my god, मेरे साथ ये हुआ था. You know, she tells it in a way and you are like, girl. So this book is amazing, and if you want to read something out of the box, something totally different, something which you not read usually, I think this book is a perfect pick for you, and it is also under 200 pages, so I think you will definitely enjoy it. And that was my last recommendation for this video.
Last book is based on communication for anybody who wants to get into public speaking and stuff like that. Is The Storyteller's Secret by Carmen Gallo. I'm never able to pronounce the name properly, but this book is not exactly meant for one-to-one communication, but if you do want to get into public speaking, which can be in any form, it can be on YouTube or it can be in person. Like right now, in person is not really happening because of COVID, but still, in any form whatsoever, this book will really help you a lot because it has all the tips and tricks that you need in order to just get the perfect script for yourself, or not even script, like how are you supposed to structure the entire thing and how you're going to go about it, how you become the greatest storyteller. So guys, this was it. Thank you so much again for having me here. I am so excited and I just hope that these books do help you, and that is it. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
So that's it for the recommendation, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some good books. I know Achal has recommended fab books. I am definitely going to pick them up. And yes, so I just want to thank Achal for collaborating with me on this video. It really means a lot, and I know all of you have already subscribed to her channel, but in case you haven't, I will still link her channel down below. Just check it out. She is amazing. And यहाँ पे भी कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब कर दो, शेयर कर दो, बेल नोटिफिकेशन दबा दो अगर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो, ताकि वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. वी वर्क रियली हार्ड टू ब्रिंग वीडियोज़ एवरी वीक. Like literally I woke up at 6 AM to shoot this video because I have a lot of assignments to do, and वो वीडियो शूट ही नहीं हो पाया था. तो it will be uploaded today and I'm shooting it today. So yeah, and also one more thing, that if you see any background noise in my video, I just want to tell you that my neighbors are a bit shitty. You know, my whole neighborhood people are loud as fuck and they always keep shouting, and I am just so irritated, and that's why I had to wake up at like 6 to make the video. So please bear with me guys. I am trying to do to figure out something. I still don't know if I should purchase a ring light to shoot my videos at night. I don't know. So just give me some time, and you know, जैसे कि अभी बाइक गई, ये होता रहता है यहाँ पे. So please bear with me, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.